Alright, next project is installing 8-inch baseboard. Real simple. Doing a miter joint, 45. It's a little bit off here, but I can fill that in with some caulking. Just doing this baseboard makes a big difference from just boring nothing to a baseboard. Makes a lot of difference in my mind. I don't know why. Well, I know why they took it off. They took it off because they put on that siding stuff, which sucks. And then they put this little wimpy baseboards that are like 3 inches. And to me, it looks like crap. That's a heck of a lot better. I might put some molding on top later. I'm not sure yet, but for now, I'm just gonna install that. I'm gonna brad nail it. All right, I'm gonna use some wood glue on this. Some tight bond, so it sticks better. We're good. Then I'll put some quarter round right there when I'm finished off with that later on. All right, there it is with the holes caulked in. You can see it's pretty good. If you don't caulk these, it just looks like crap, so I always do. And if that's not fancy enough, I could always put some of this on there. I dress it up a little bit more, make it a little bit higher, and just give it a nice little touch. Or you can, if you like the plain look, you can leave it like that, or you can even dress it up even more. Get some of this molding. And check that out. See the big difference that does? And this can go either way. You can put it this way or you can put it the other way. It's just a preference thing. I think it looks better the other way, personally. I would do it this way, but yeah, this is about $11 for 8 foot, so it's not too expensive for this stuff, and it is like made out of I don't know, plasticky material. So it'd probably be another 30 bucks or so, maybe 40 bucks to do this whole room with that one. This one's probably $1 something a foot. Oh, and also my wife, she, instead of taking that to the dry clean, she literally just cleaned that by hand in the sink. She added like vinegar and all kinds of different stuff, and she got it like brand new. So looks good. The top valance still needs to be, we need to take that off, and she needs to clean that one by hand as well. Yeah, this room is looking real nice, other than getting a carpet in here, and the floor, it's old. So, and this couch, it's just thrown in there for the meantime. It's an old couch. It's gonna be taken out. But yeah, it's looking real nice in here. But back to work on this baseboard. Got a lot to do. All right, finally finished this up. Finally got my desk back up. A lot of people have been emailing me and stuff, wondering why it's taking me so long. My computer has been kind of out of place and not connected. Finally got my desk set up anyways for answering all your emails and questions. I got my surveillance partially hooked up. I gotta fix a few of the cameras. I got 8 of them and there's only 3 showing up. I got my printer, so a little light. So everything's good. Back to business as normal over here. Again, if I was a little slow in getting back on the emails in the past couple months, it's because I got my house pretty tore up. And I'm still working on it, but I'm getting there. Next to the ceiling.